If you post videos on YouTube and all of them get less than 500 views, I know how frustrating that feels. You spend hours recording, editing, and uploading, and when you check the numbers, it feels like nobody is watching. But calm down, because there are actually three reasons for this. And when you understand these three reasons, it becomes much easier to unlock your channel's growth. In the beginning, I was in the exact same situation as you. My videos were getting 200, 300 views. After many tests, mistakes, and lessons, I finally understood what I was doing wrong and started seeing real results. And today, I'm going to share what I did to make that happen. Reason number one, the algorithm hasn't found your target audience yet. YouTube still doesn't know who to show your videos to. When you have a small or new channel, YouTube tests your video with different audiences. If nobody clicks, it stops pushing it. But if people click and watch, YouTube realizes it found the right audience and starts showing your video to more and more people. That's how you go from a few views to thousands. The problem is that if your title and thumbnail aren't good, even if the video itself is great, people won't click. The title and thumbnail are the first contact the audience has with your video. Now let's move on to reason number two, the age of your channel. This may sound like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference. When you create a brand new channel and start posting videos immediately on the same day, YouTube may get suspicious. It might think you're a bot, especially if you upload a lot in a short period of time during the first few days. Don't do that. In the first few days, wait 3 to 5 days. Watch videos, leave likes, and comment so YouTube understands that you're a real person, not a robot trying to cheat the algorithm. And if you're enjoying this so far, leave a like right now and subscribe to the channel because the next videos could be exactly what helps your channel grow. Don't miss it. Reason number three, prioritizing quantity over quality. This is one of the most common mistakes. Many beginner creators think they need to upload as much as possible, believing quantity alone will bring growth. But that's not true. Consistency is important, yes, but consistency doesn't mean filling your channel with average videos. Reason number four, or five, depending on the case, sometimes it's the algorithm itself. There are things completely out of your control. I've uploaded videos that I was sure were good, and still they got stuck under 100 views. What should you do in those cases? A simple strategy is to wait a few days and trust the long-term process. Don't see it as a failure. See it as part of the game. Every video you upload is a test. Sometimes you need to repeat the process until you find the right key. And like I always say, resilience is essential if you want to grow on YouTube. That's today's video. See you in the next one.